Wait a soapy minute. Why does Gentle Soaps add Japanese knotweed to their products? Come on in and I'll show you why. This is my beautiful Japanese knotweed. It grows as tall as my bamboo and has me in rapture. Horticulturists around the world are declaring war on this quite tenacious, quite invasive species, but herbalists like me are rejoicing. The Japanese knotweed is going to be a beautiful colorant in many of my soaps. And the history of the Japanese knotweed is quite interesting. The name implies this particular plant is native to East Asia, primarily Japan, Korea, and China, and is scientifically known as Fallopoeia japonica. It's a large perennial herbaceous plant that has become an important cultural, medicinal, culinary, and ceremonial herb for a number of Asian cultures over the centuries. Most important health benefits include its ability to prevent and treat cognitive disorders, improve heart health, lower your risk of cancer, reduce gastrointestinal distress, lower blood pressure, maintain proper insulin levels, and many other unique benefits. See, my bees absolutely adore the Japanese knotweed. Now, after the blackberry nectar flow, the Japanese knotweed offers an abundance of nectar through the last of the summer for my bees. And I've noticed that we get a black honey similar in color to buckwheat honey, but it has a beautiful floral taste. It's not harsh, it just has a dark color. And it's one of our special honeys that we call black honey, that we only get a very, very small amount of honey from our bees, but it's a beautiful, wonderful, special honey. If you want to see what that looks like, my mother's milk video where I do the soap with breast milk, I use that honey in that particular episode. But as you can see, the bees are just going nuts, crawling all over these beautiful blossoms, and they're being nourished. Just as nourishing as this can be for the human body, it also is nourishing to these wonderful, fantastic bees that we are trying to save. So if you do have Japanese knotweed and you're interested in exploring the benefits that it may offer you, please consult with your doctor or your herbalist and find out more. Make your own decisions. Resveratrol outside of wine is very appealing for someone like me because I don't drink alcohol. And I'm really, really excited to try this particular herb in my soap. It has beautiful green color for one, and it will provide some scrubbiness as well. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe, and come on back. Look at them fly. They're just flying all over the place. And come on back next time. Bye for now.